You think your 6-digit PIN and 4-digit PIN makes your phone as safe? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you the admin backdoor that most people ignore and how a few simple commands can expose everything you thought was private and safe. This isn't about being a hacker. This is about understanding ADB, Android Debug Bridge. If you've left USB debugging turned on, you've essentially left your front door wide open for anyone with a $5 cable and a laptop. We will give real demo how an hacker can crack your 4 and 6-digit of PIN with just few seconds, and also guide you how to be safe. Now for real demo, open up your terminal. Make sure you do apt, update and upgrade before initializing new process. Then open your browser. Search CI Lox GitHub. Click on first link. Copy the code. Come back to terminal. Type git clone past the copy code. Type ls. Type cd ci lox. Type ls. For executive permission, type chmod plus x and star. It will give all file executive permission. Press LZ to run the tool. Press /ci lox, then run it. Make sure the debugging is turned on for this demo. Now I'm connecting my testing phone to my Kali Linux with the cable. For real proof, I will create new password. Now we go with our demo. Press 2 for 4-digit password. Now the tool started attempting the password. Here we go, our phone is unlocked. If you face any error or problem, so just DM me on Instagram or comment it, I will give you solution right there. So, how do we safe? Rule 1. Turn off USB debugging the moment you're done using it. Rule 2. Use lockdown mode. It disables all biometric and ADB access until you manually enter your code. Rule 3. Never trust a public charging station. That is exactly how these commands get injected to your phone.